Hey guys, so right now there is happening this insane meme coin pre-sale craze on Twitter. And what's happening is basically a random influencers are creating these meme coins on Twitter, and you can invest in their pre-sale. That's basically a way they can raise funds, and in return they will send you a specific amount of tokens, basically the same amount you sent them to their pre-sale wallet. And the funny thing is that they are raising millions and millions of dollars. Even legit projects that are solving real world problems cannot raise that big amount of money, but these meme coin projects can. But the worst part is that many of these projects are rugging and just fading away. And this is not a financial advice, but my opinion on these meme coins that are popping up left and right in this space right now is that there are many private groups where specific influencers, and there are many influencers that are basically promoting and shilling these meme coin projects. And there are several of these groups that are basically pumping their own bags. What happens is that they are allocating tokens to themselves first, and when the meme coin comes out, this is what happens. Basically, normal people that are not in these private groups are buying the token, and these influencers are basically just waiting to sell, because right when you are at 2x or 5x, they are at 10x, 20x, or even 100x. And there is a 90% of chance that you will get dumped on by these influencers because they are already so much up. They have nothing to lose. They will just sell before you even get to 2x or 3x. And this is why I don't recommend you to invest in these meme coins right now. In my opinion, the best way you can invest in meme coins, and this is not a financial advice, is that like in 2021, when Elon Musk talked about his dog Shiba Inu, the token meme coin basically popped off. Someone created it a few minutes later after he tweeted it, and the meme coin basically went up like thousands of %. I personally get like 8x from that meme coin. And the best part is that when you invest in these coins that pop off after Elon Musk just names some random names, is that there are no secret groups behind them. It's basically, he says name, after a few minutes, new coin pops up. They are created like seconds after he tweets something. And there are no secret groups, no secret token allocations beforehand. So you basically have a fair chance if you are early. And if you understand something about gas fees and how to use your MetaMask or crypto wallet efficiently, you basically get an advantage from all of the normal people that have zero experience on crypto. But this will most likely happen only when we are in a true crypto euphoria. Right now we are not. The Bitcoin is still around 66,000, which is not even the all-time high, and you can see the markets right now are bleeding. In my opinion, only when we are steadily going up and Bitcoin reaches around 90,000, 100,000, when we actually reach the crypto euphoria, that's when you can start investing in meme coins. And people like Elon Musk are basically just saying a weird phrases, and meme coins are popping up. That's, in my opinion, is the best way you can invest in meme coins. Other than that, I would not recommend you to invest in these pre-sales, and I am advising you to not invest in these meme coins that are preparing their launch, because there are many people behind it. Many tokens are already allocated for these huge private groups. But the truth is that meme coins will never die. People just love that easy road, and they love to make that easy money. But the fact is that most of them are losing money. 90% actually are just in losses. This is why my opinion is don't buy meme coins unless Elon Musk shills them or just tweets some random names. And you can find those meme coins instantly on the DEX tools. Otherwise, I would not suggest you to invest in meme coins. Better research some gaming projects, some AI projects, because those will definitely go up in the bull run. There are many great gaming and AI projects that are worth researching and worth investing your money in my opinion. That's why you always have to do your own research. And if you don't want to miss on any valuable crypto alpha, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, and every time I upload, you will get that notification instantly. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.